Hi and welcome to Coffee with My Sunshine. Today's DIY Make It Your Own Monday video is going to be super fun because my husband is going to be showing us how to make Jeni's coffee ice cream. So if you're interested, please keep watching. First, he starts out by grounding up a half a cup of dark roast coffee beans, and you want to keep them coarse ground. Then, in a pan, you need to add 2.5 cups of whole milk. 2 tablespoons will be for the slurry, and I'll show you that later. Next, you will need 1.5 cups of heavy cream and 3/4 cups sugar. Add 3 tablespoons light corn syrup. And then bring to a rolling boil over medium-high heat and boil for about 4 minutes. While that's heating up, you're going to set up your cheesecloth in a large bowl. You'll want to use a few layers of the cheesecloth so that the grounds don't seep through. We had to do this twice because the first time we had it too thin and the grounds just went right through. I forgot to show you guys what kind of coffee we used, but you can use whatever you like. After it's been boiling, add in the coffee grounds, and then you let it steep for about 5 minutes. Then you're going to strain the milk mixture through the cheesecloth. Squeeze the coffee in the cloth to extract as much liquid as possible. It's going to be kind of hot, so be careful. And then you just toss the grounds. Return the cream mixture to the saucepan and whisk together the slurry. This is the cornstarch and milk. And then you're going to stir that in, bring it to a boil over medium-high heat, and cook, stirring with a rubber spatula until it gets thickened. And that's for about a minute or so. And then you want to remove it from the heat. Mix up the 1.5 ounces of the softened cream cheese. You want the cream cheese kind of sitting out for a while. And you're going to mix that with an 1/8 teaspoon of sea salt. Whisk the hot milk mixture with the cream cheese until it's smooth. Pour the mixture into a 1-gallon Ziploc freezer bag and submerge the sealed bag into an ice bath. and you're going to want to let that sit, adding more ice as it melts until it's really, really cold. Let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. Then after the mixture's cold, you're going to freeze it, you're going to want to pour the ice cream base into the frozen canister and spin it until it's thick and creamy. For this, we used the Cuisinart brand ice cream maker. My mom and dad actually got this Cuisinart ice cream maker for my husband many years back because he was loving this Jeni'S ice cream, and we could only get it by mail because I think they're based in Ohio, or they are originally based in Ohio. So my mom and dad got him this ice cream maker and the cookbook, and he's been loving it ever since. It's starting to get thicker. After it's thickened up a bit in the ice cream maker, you can either serve up a little bit or you can put it in the freezer. You want to put it into an airtight container and freeze it for about 4 hours if you like the more, firmer type ice cream. But we didn't want to wait, so we decided to scoop some out because we like the soft serve kind too. We decided to scoop some out and we'll freeze the rest. You can find this coffee ice cream in this Jeni'S ice cream book. I'll link it below if you're interested. And this is probably the best coffee ice cream we've ever had, and you should try some. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share this, and I will see you all next time. Bye!